courage on the cricket pitch to a kingdom full of chaos, comedy, and a king who's, let's say, a little special.
We now get to meet Chaupat Raja, a king who believes he's the wisest in the world, but ends up being the funniest instead.
From strange royal orders to silly royal logic, his decisions will surely make you laugh.
So dear parents, get ready to enjoy the madness of our Chaupat Raja.
So please welcome our performers with a huge round of applause for Andher Nagari Chaupat Raja.
Ram Ram Bhajo Ram Bhajo Bali Ram Ram Bhajo Ram Bhajo Bali.
Bacha Naren Das, the town looks pretty charming from afar. Go and see if some donations are attained. We make an offering to Thakurji.
Guruji Maharaj, by the grace of Narayana, the town of course looks very pretty. Should the donation too make the same pretty amount?
Dear Govardhan Das, move westwards. Naren Das will take the eastern track. Go and see if some eatables are obtained.
Guruji, I shall fix sufficient donations. You need not worry at all.
You ought not to be too greedy, my child. लोभ पाप का मूल है, लोभ मिटावट मान, लोभ कभी न कीजिए, या में नरक निदान.
Ram Ram Bhajo Ram Bhajo Bali Ram Ram Bhajo Ram Bhajo.
कबाब गर्मा गर्म मसालेदार, चौरसी मसाला भक्तराज का कबाब गर्मा गर्म मसालेदार, खाए जो भी होठ चाटे, ना खाए वो भी जीभ काटे. कबाब लो कबाब का ढेर बेचा टके से. चना जोर गरम बाबू में लाया मजेदार, चना जोर गरम चने बनावे घासी राम, निज की झोली में दुकान. चना चुरमुर चुरमुर बोले, बाबू खाने को मुंह खोले. चना हकीम तब जो खाते सब पर दुगना तिका सिखाते. चना जोर गरम चने तके से.
नारंगी ले लो नारंगी, सिलवट की नारंगी, रामबाग की नारंगी, आनंदबाग की नारंगी, भाई नींबू सी नारंगी. नारंगी ले लो नारंगी, मीठा नींबू रंतरा संतरा भर भर के लो. अम्मा को दो चाची को दो, बनात मलते रहना. नारंगी ले लो नारंगी, टके से नारंगी.
जलेबिया गर्मा गर्म ने कलाकंद मैसूर पाक, काजू कतली सेव इमरती लड्डू गुलाब जामुन खुरमा बूंदी बर्फी. अरे हलवा ले हलवा, सब सामान ताजा. अरे ले खाजा टक्की से खाजा. अरे चूरन अमर भेद का भारी, खाते जिसको कृष्ण मुरारी. मेरा पाचक है पचलोना, जिसको खाते श्याम सलोना. चूरन बना मसालेदार, जिससे खट्टे की बाहर. मेरे चूरन जो कोई खाए, मुझको छोड़ कहीं ना जाए. चूरन सभी महाजन खाते, जिससे जमा हजम कर जाते. चूरन पुलिस वाला जो खाते, सब कानून हजम कर जाते. ले लो चूरन काजल बेटा टके से. अरे आटा दाल लकड़ी नमक घी चीनी मसाले तेल ले टके से. मैं थोड़ा बहुत ब्रोकर का काम भी कर लेती हूँ. डिग्री चाहिए, BA, MA, PhD, MPhil या नकली मार्कशीट या सिग्नेचर करवाना तो सीधा यहाँ चले आना. स्वीट चले. How do you sell the sweets? बाबा जी लड्डू हलवा जलेबी गुलाब जामुन all items here they fare at the rate of 30 cents. Really gentlemen? What is the town known for? Andher Nagari. The city. Who rules it? Chaupat Raja. The Dam King.
Great. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. इस मोल भाजी उस मोल खाजा, उस मोल खाजा हो. अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा.
Guruji, I have got quite enough edibles.
My child,
Narayan Das has already been appraised. It is unwise to stay in such a town where taka is the scale for a set of vegetables and the same for a scale of sweet things.
Guruji, there's no such country across the world which offers full meals for 2 paisa. I'm not going to leave this beautiful town.
Listen, my son, one day you will regret this.
With your blessings, no trouble can shake me. In fact, why can't you think of staying here?
No way, I won't stay here even for a moment. But remember my words. If you ever feel pain or face trouble, think of me.
Goodbye, Guruji.
चौपट राजा अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा इसमोल भाजी
Maharaj? Maharaj? Maharaj! Please take a shower, dear Maharaj.
What? Ravana has come? I will save my city from Ravana.
No, Your Majesty, no. He requests you to take a shower.
Dusht, Paji, frightened me so in vain. Soldier, let him bear the blow of 100 whips.
But Your Majesty, how is it my fault? If there was no water, why would I ask you to take a shower, right?
Fine then. Seal every water source in this land. Let my shower plan be forever banned.
But Your Majesty, you haven't been frightened by the request of taking a shower. The name Ravan has frightened you. He must be penalized.
Again the same name. You are so mean. Attendant, attendant, where is my medicine?
Have it, Your Majesty, have it.
Bring more of it.
Help me! Help me!
Who's shouting? Go, catch him and bring him to me.
Take pity, Your Majesty. Take mercy. Please shower justice from your grace.
Shh, no shower. Carry on.
Take pity, Your Majesty. Take mercy.
Justice here is so intense that even Yama would think twice before giving it. Now tell me, what happened?
Your Majesty, Kallubania's wall collapsed and my poor god got crushed under it. I beg you, please show justice.
Move quickly and arrest Kallubanya's wall immediately.
But Your Majesty, the wall cannot be arrested or summoned over here.
Then arrest any relative, whosoever, brother, son, anyone.
Your Highness, the wall is made of bricks and lime. It has no family or friends.
All right, arrest Kallubanya then. Oh, hello, Banya. Why is this Larki? Oh, sorry. Barki, collapse crushing under your wall.
Your Majesty, it is not Barki.
Oh yeah. Why has the goat died? Come on, speak up. Otherwise, you would be hanged.
Your Majesty, I truly didn't do anything wrong. The wall was built by the mason. He made its foundation weak. The poor goat got crushed under it. How am I to blame for that? Please believe me, Your Majesty. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Well, leave this Mallu and bring forth the mason. Oh, you careless mason! What has caused this goat's death?
Your Majesty, I am not the cause. Bhishti supplied extra water so the paste became weak. I am poor, Your Majesty. Please let me go. My mother is waiting for me in the audience. Mummy! Mummy!
Well, call this mason. Oh, no. Get him out and call the Bhishti. Hey, water supplier. నీళ్ళు ఎందుకు ఇచ్చినావు? ఇప్పుడు ఆ గోడ కూలిపోయి మేక చచ్చిపోయింది.
Your Majesty, this slave is not at fault. It is the butcher who made a mistake. The large water bag, such a huge one, that stored up plenty of water.
Well, send him out and bring forth the butcher, the water bag maker. Your Majesty, can you imagine? The shepherd sold me such a giant sheep only for a taka, sir. And because of that, an extra large water carrier had to be made. It was far bigger and heavier than I expected. Well then, dismiss the butcher and summon the shepherd. You shepherd, why have you sold such a big sheep that the goat died?
Your Majesty, it's not my fault. The police were marching and I didn't see how big the sheep was.
Oh, turn him away and present the court wall under arrest at once. Oh, Kotwal, your grand march scared the shepherd, and poor Kallubanya ended up flattened like a dosa.
Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney.
Your Majesty, I haven't done it on purpose. It was not my fault. I never meant anyone to get hurt or frightened.
A great mess, I'm afraid. This blockhead would ordain for hanging up the entire citizen of the town. That's not true. Why did you mask that way so grandly?
Your Majesty, I swear the goat appeared out of nowhere and I didn't see Kallubanya either. It was a parade, not a goat crushing mission.
No way! No, Majesty! Just hang the court wall. The court is adjourned.
अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, इस मोल भाजी उस मोल.
Finished? Nice wear the crown. Wise still squad? Fools run the town.
Hey, get up! You ate too many sweets. Now you're in big trouble.
Oh no! How did I upset you? That you want to arrest me?
You are so big, that's why we are taking you to the hanging place.
What? Hanging just for being fat? What a joke! Oh no, gentlemen! Why are you hanging a saint? Tell me the matter of the fact.
The court wall was supposed to be hanged, but her neck was too thin. The king wanted a fat person to be hanged instead. Since someone must be punished for killing the goat, we're taking you to be hanged in the court wall's place.
Oh God! Save me! I'm being punished for no reason. What a terrible injustice! Guruji, please come and save me. Oh no! I disobeyed my guru. The town is in trouble. The king is cruel. Guruji, help me!
Govardhan Das, my child, you're in this condition. I already warned you not to stay here in this town. You didn't heed upon.
Guruji, I didn't obey you, and the result is here. Please save me.
Don't worry, God is great.
Hey, listen. Let my Guruji teach his last lesson. Step aside. If you don't follow, bad luck will come to you.
Well, Maharaj, we are stepping away. Please preach to him.
Well, Guruji, I'll gladly accept the robe then.
No, my son, let me accept.
No, Guruji, I will.
No, my son, let me accept. I am old. Let me find peace. What's the problem?
Your Majesty, both the student and the Guru wants to be hanged.
Come on, Babaji. Why do you want to be hanged? King, whoever dies at this holy time goes straight to heaven.
Well then, it's me who will hang on the rope.
Me! Yes, me! I wanted to be hanged.
I will. It's me. The wall fell down because of.
Miss me, मैं मरूंगा
नहीं मैं मरूंगी.
मैं सब जाऊंगा.
नहीं मैं मरूंगा.
No, I want to go to heaven. Quiet. Only the king deserves to go to heaven at this sacred moment. Hurry! Bring the rope! Hurry up! Soon!
अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, जिस मोल भाजी उस मोल खाजा, उस मोल खाजा हो।
No wisdom, no rules, no values. Doom comes just like this kingdom.
अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा, जिस मोल भाजी उस मोल खाजा, उस मोल खाजा हो।